In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a combination exercise, which is a reverse lunge with a one-leg Romanian deadlift. So what I want you to do is I want you to think of these as separate movements. I'm going to teach you one movement, then the other, and then we're going to put them together. These two go really, really well together. You've got one that's more of a balance and proprioception exercise, and you've got another one where with the reverse lunge, it's more of a strength exercise. So I've got dumbbells here. I'm going to demonstrate with dumbbells. You absolutely can do this body weight if you don't want to do dumbbells. So what I want you to do is I want you to stand in a position which is narrower than hip width apart. So you can see it on the camera. That would be my start position. I'm going to bring one leg to the back of the room. So I'm going to bring one leg behind me. I'm going to bend that leg and I'm going to bring my knee either just hovering to the floor, or you can even touch the floor if your mobility allows you to. So looking up, chest up, shoulders back, core braced. I come onto the forefoot and toes as I come up and back to my start position. Now, once I've done one repetition, I would then come straight into the Romanian deadlift on one leg. So let's say I do that repetition, come back, and then up. What I then do is I'm going to change the weight's position to the front of my thighs, okay? So once I've done one repetition, change it to the front of the thighs. From here, feet together, and I'm going to come down, bringing the back leg up, and then return back to my start position. I want you to think of yourself like a pendulum, where you're coming forwards, the legs coming back, and you're trying to keep a nice straight line between the top and bottom of your lower back when you do so. So fast, it would look like this. So feet narrower than hip width apart, looking forwards. I'm going to come into my reverse lunge. Whatever leg was my stabilizing leg, so for example, with me, it was my left leg. That's the same leg that's going to be my stabilizing leg when I put my feet together, come forwards, and back into my one leg Romanian deadlift. You would repeat for your desired amount of repetitions on one side and then do exactly the same on the other side.